Paul declared this verse while in prison, not during a season of comfort, but in hardship. His joy and strength did not come from money, freedom, or success. Hindi po nagmumula ang kasiyahan ni Paul sa pera, sa kalayaan, o sa katanyagan, o sa katagumpayan sa buhay. Kahit nasa prison siya, nasabi niya, I can do all things through Christ who gives me strength. It came from Christ who empowered him daily. Ang kanyang kalakasan ay nagmumula sa ating Panginoon. So today, we can have the same strength. It is available. And then we can also say that I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Ilang beses na ba sa buhay natin na lagi nating naririnig, hindi mo kaya yan, hindi ka magtatagumpay, hindi mo kaya yan, limited ka lang. I'm telling you, we have to listen to the voice of truth, telling us that we can do all things through Him who give us strength.